Parliament. National President jangka National People's Party NPP ubalongru menteri rangba kejela Conrad Sangma. Henen kasi ula Banjur Halor ke Jingdonkam ban Phaidien ha kabaya day bat ke Jingbym la ban Lehbha jangka Seng hak election Lok Sabha. Haba pediang ke Jing Syarem Conrad ula kren darab jat Halor ke Jingbym Lehbha jangka Seng NPP dah kabaong ba manla ki election kilong ki baya pher bat baro ki election layakun Halor ki mat ba pher ke Jing Sensyar ba saupong rius nem jangka Longyeng upurno Sangma hatura constituency kalakut no hadien ba usaling Sangma naga Kongres ula penrem ya ka agatha jangka NPP da iwe point san lak vote.
Every election is different. The issues are different in every election, and the way people vote in every election differs. There are many factors that work in election. So therefore, we cannot compare one election with another election. But having said that, obviously any election and any defeat in any election calls for any political party to introspect, for individuals to introspect. Yes, I would like to thank the people of Garo Hills that for the last 46 years they have put faith and trust in the leadership of the party at different levels, and we have done our best to serve the people.